So, there's a Kmart closing, and in true vulture fashion, I had to stop in. Hey everyone, my name's Amanda. I'm kinda new here. Kind of. So anyway, I went to lunch with some friends last Saturday, and like a true vulture looking for a deal, I stopped by a Kmart that was closing, and there was something there in drugstore that I hadn't purchased. A Milani palette. I had to get it. So I'm getting ready for a job interview. I want to try new makeup. We're gonna do two birds with one stone, and we're gonna try this thing. It has such good reviews that I figured, heck, why not? So my eyes are already primed. Let's get into this. So I've been watching Sabrina here on YouTube, her tutorials, and she always lays down a blending color, and I'm gonna go in with Creme Brulee from Wet n Wild. It's just a color that's really close to my skin tone. It's not that exciting, so I'm gonna do that. It's not a, and this is a new thing for me. And what she does is she lays it in, well, here, like on the brow bone. So I'm gonna go in and lay down a transition shade, and that will be this color here. That is just a nice mid-tone. Oh, wow. They're pigmented. This is my first time using a Milani eyeshadow, because I was like, oh, for drugstore, nothing's gonna beat Wet n Wild. No, this is really quite nice. Wow. I think I'm gonna build this up, this orangey color up in the crease a little bit. I like doing it this way because, well, it's different. Everybody does the dark tones in the crease. Why not do something different, right? It's a different look. Well, I'm gonna clean, or no, I'm actually gonna dab in to this color and mix it in, blend it in. You know what I mean, right? It's a light layer right now. I'm just tapping the brush in. Kind of like this. I'm going to put some more in the outer V a little bit. I'm going to take a flat brush, like I think this is a shader brush, I don't know, and I think I'm going to try this kind of purpley color a little bit in the outer V, or outer half of the lid. Oh my god, that's pigmented. Why have I waited so long? Why have I waited so long? Why have I been sleeping on these? I think it's because I'm cheap. And I have a lot. Okay, so I'm taking in a clean brush. I'm gonna blend. Okay, so one last thing. I gotta do something on those inner halves of my eyes. So I think I'm gonna go with this cream color and then use this as my inner corner highlight. So if you'll excuse me. I lied. I'm gonna use this highlight color on the, over that. The cream is too close to my skin tone. Now back to the blending brush. Okay, so I'm not gonna do liner. I've put a couple coats of mascara on, and I think I look good. Maybe I need to blend out my bronzer a bit, but I have this Bite Beauty thing that came with a little lip mask. I haven't used the lip mask yet, but I want to try the lippy, or the lipstick. It's a little sample size. I got it right, bam. Can you see? Here you go, there you go. This is the color. It's in the color Pepper. So we're gonna try it, blot it, and then put on another layer. This lipstick it feels really good. I haven't worn a non-matte lip in a really long time, so this is nice. Yeah. What I'll do is check in with you guys later, but so far, so good. So, this is me. Wish me luck on the interview, and if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Yeah.